Rubbing elbows with the elite. A deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom that you might have heard, rubbing elbows with. This phrase is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means to rub elbows with someone, where this idiom comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English. Stay tuned. The phrase, rubbing elbows with, refers to the act of socializing or interacting closely with someone, especially those who are considered to be of a higher social status, famous, or influential. It evokes the image of being in a crowded place where you're so close to someone influential that you might literally rub elbows with them. However, it's not just about physical proximity. It's about being in circles or situations where you have the opportunity to meet or interact with high-profile individuals. While the exact origin of rubbing elbows with is not clear, it's believed to have emerged from the idea of social gatherings or events where people are close enough to touch elbows. This idiom reflects the social aspect of human interaction, emphasizing the informal and often accidental nature of coming into close contact with someone influential. Over time, it has come to symbolize not just physical closeness but the act of being in the same social or professional circles as someone of renown or importance. Understanding how to use an idiom in context can greatly improve your fluency. Here are a few examples. In a professional context, at the international conference, I had the chance of rubbing elbows with some of the leading experts in my field. In a social context, at the charity gala, guests were rubbing elbows with celebrities and influential politicians. To express aspiration. One day, I hope to be rubbing elbows with the great writers and thinkers of our time. Remember, using this idiom implies a sense of informality and proximity, so it's best used in contexts where this tone is appropriate. Learning idioms like rubbing elbows with is crucial for language learners because it helps you understand the cultural nuances of English. Idioms can add color to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. They often carry meanings that go beyond their literal interpretation, providing insights into how language evolves with culture and society. We hope this exploration of rubbing elbows with has been enlightening. Idioms like this one are what make English a fun and dynamic language to learn. They allow you to express complex ideas in a few words, connecting you more deeply with the culture and people who use them. So next time you're in a social gathering, you might just find yourself rubbing elbows with someone interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.